Look at his ass, sir.
Nick, Shayna said she wants a piece.
Can we get married?
No.
Why?
What?
Why?
Don't like you.
Why?
Why?
What did you say?
Can we get married?
Yeah.
Hell no.
You're hooked now.
Fuck that.
You're practically engaged now.
He's serenading you. Look at him.
Alright, sing a good song.
He's singing
What the
all
hell
or
you
nothing to
singing?
you.
He's
Sing it,
singing
Nick.
shit.
Sing the chorus. Sing it. Here it comes. Here it goes.
Is it the Brittany Sargent?
I can't hear you.
No. Nick, you got the wrong glasses on.
This song is dedicated to you.
Oh shit. Nick, where's your ladybug glasses?
I don't know.
Yeah, you better go find those. There's your gift.